Okay, this is a short educational video on cinder block foundations. As you can see, we're looking at a cinder block wall. Okay, it's evident that most of the cinder block is showing on the floor, right? A lot of the times that will be an indication that there is no footer underneath the wall. If you want it to know for sure, you have to remove the floor and check underneath the wall. In this case, there is no footer on this wall, so we have to do a process called underpinning, where we actually build them a footer. Stay tuned for more videos, but this is how to tell if the wall has a footer on a cinder block foundation. How to tell if the wall has a footer on a cinder block foundation. And that is that you can see almost the full block on the wall, right? If you only saw half the block, that's a good indication that the other half is underneath the ground and being supported by a footer. In this case, we see almost a full block and there is no footer underneath this wall, so we have to do a process again called underpinning, where we build them a footer. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.